Roomba Party Part 3.
Starting to clean. Start cleaning.
And this time, I have two battery options for the Brava Jet because it doesn't have its regular battery anymore. I added two options. And these guys are broken, so we can't use them. Because one, the bumper's broken, which is the Roomba 66.5, aka Ronda, and also the Eufy 30C Robovac, aka Cat Game. It has a little bit of debris or dust stuck in one of the wheels. It has to be like the R or L. I think it's like the I think this one is, oh, that one's actually right. That's the right one. That's the R. But Roomba parties are great, especially now that I have Maxwell cleaning. And this one doesn't, I took off the side brush for this one. Hey, you're not allowed in Dad's office. I said the Brava Jet's not allowed in the office. You think you're allowed in the office? No. See the shark over here in Mom's office. She can go, this guy can go in Mom's office.
You want steak for dinner?
Yeah. But I'm changing the name of my e-bot from Sappy to Smart Bob. And then we're going to do a nerd emoji at the end. And this Roomba party is going great. Whoa. I almost just tripped over a Roomba. Yeah, I almost tripped over, who was that? Oh yeah, Jaws. I almost tripped over Jaws. And looks like Leafy is right here. I always called him something different because I forgot his name was Leafy. But now I know that it's Leafy. I just remembered somehow. Hey, not allowed on the carpet. And what did I say of going into my dad's office? No, Dad's office. Leafy. Leafy, Maxwell. Jaws, Poppy, Ethan, Jinx, Smart Bob, Jaws. I think I already counted him. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be the end for today. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. You are all legends. And plug all the vacuums just so you can hear me. Pause on the vacuum, so you know that I said please like and subscribe, and you guys are technically all legends. Hit that subscribe button and boom, you're locked in a legend. So see you all later. Peace out.